Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm a solutions engineer at Verkada, and this tutorial will cover how to utilize our vehicle analytics. To use our vehicle analytics, I will first select the Vehicle tab under the left side toolbar. Now I can see every car that was detected on each camera that has vehicle analytics enabled. I can use the search tools at the top to narrow my search in an investigation. So if I was looking for a white truck, I can simply select color white and type truck to narrow my results. All Verkada bullet cameras can also be set up for license plate recognition, or LPR for short. I can look at all license plates at the top of my screen to review all of the plates that have been detected across my organization. Here I get insights such as the date and time it was seen, an image of the plate and the car it came from, how many times the plate has been seen, and where it was located. Using our fuzzy search feature, you can start to search for a few letters and see all of the plates it might pertain to. I'll search 8B and see what comes up. This person has been seen over 100 times in the past 30 days. I assume that they're either an employee or a resident. Who knows, maybe it's a VP at the company. The neat thing about this is that I can click on this plate and pull up a report of every time the plate had been seen. I can also give a name to this profile, like VP. If I wanted to get alerted every time the VP arrived on site, I can make this plate a plate of interest by clicking this button in the upper right corner. Now, if I go to my Alerts tab, I can view all of the alerts from the plates of interest that have been detected. Lastly, I can click into an LPR camera, and although I can see all of the plates it's detected, I can also hit the history button and see all of its historical footage, much like I can do on any other Verkada camera. That's it for vehicle analytics and LPR. Thank you so much for watching this module. As always, don't forget to visit help.verkada.com to view our many knowledge base articles, and know that our 24/7 support team is always available for further help and questions.